All right, hey, this is Hans, and this is
Mimi.
And it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time at the Ramen. This is the show where we show you
What comes in the mail?
And today we've got something from
Souply.
Yeah, this is from a company I just got wind of recently called Souply, and they make fancy noodle bowls, and it looks, from what they're saying here, spread good, eat pho, that these are going to be pho bowls. So let's crack it open and see what's inside, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh. So what I've been told is these are really high-end, instant, easy-to-make bowls of pho. And let's start looking at them. Wow, check that out. This is their filet and brisket pho bowl. Let's see what it says. With real meat and collagen. This has real meat in it. How are they pulling that off? Yep, there it is. This meat is packed in the U.S. Yeah, this is fancy looking stuff. Let's look and see what we have in here. I've been waiting for somebody to do like decent retort pouches here in the U.S. and yep, I think I see one right there. Look at that. That, ladies and gentlemen, is a retort pouch. And this has filet and brisket in broth. So this is the meat. Here you got some utensils. It feels like maybe a fork and a spoon and maybe some chopsticks. Then this one says rice noodles with herbs packet, a powder-based sachet. And look at that. Just like if you go to a pho restaurant, you've got your sriracha and your hoisin sauce. And the second one we have here is the Souply chicken pho bowl with real meat and collagen. Kind of looks like the same deal. Here we've got your meat, utensils, noodles and herbs, some hoisin, sriracha, and some dry base. Wow, I'm really looking forward to giving these a try. These look super fancy. Yeah. You want to try them too?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? You gonna give that a try? Cool.
Yeah.
All right. A little spicy.
Yeah.
Can you handle spicy?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, spicy. Well, this has been Hans, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. If you want to check these out, head on over to, I don't know the website, but look right there. There's the website. And yeah, this has been Hans, and this has been
Mimi.
wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
Each and every day.
Have a good one.
Bye.